Hello, good morning, students. Uh, Today I am going to tell you about the revolution of October 1917. Okay, now already I had discussed about the different events of the Russian Revolution, and the two important events are uh, the October Revolution and the February Revolution. In this video, I am going to tell you about the revolution of October 1917. As you can see in the paragraph, the main meaning, or you can say the revolution of October 1917 was actually what? It was the conflict between the Bolshevik government and the Menshevik. I had already discussed about the difference between the Bolshevik party and the Menshevik party. Again, I am going to tell you about the difference between the Bolshevik party and the Menshevik party. Then we will discuss about this event of October 1917, that what happened during this event. So the main difference was the Bolshevik party leader was Lenin and the Menshevik party leader was Kerensky. Okay. And the second point is the Bolshevik was a major party and the Menshevik was a minor party. Menshevik wanted reforms through education. वो सुधार चाहते थे लेकिन एजुकेशन के जरिए. And the Bolshevik wanted reforms through revolution. और जो Bolshevik थे वो चाहते थे कि क्रांति हो. So 3 differences I have told you about the 2 main parties of Russia. Now, the revolution of October 1917 is what? As you can see in the first paragraph, in the first line, as the conflict between the provincial government and the Bolshevik grew, Lenin feared the provincial government would set up dictatorship. So, already I had discussed that what was provincial government? That is the government which consisted of educated middle classes. And already I discussed the leader was Kerensky, and there was conflict between both the government, that means लेनिन एंड केरेंस्काई, इन दोनों के बीच में तनाव चल रहा था. अब वो कैसे? क्योंकि बॉल्शेविक सपोर्टर्स जो बॉल्शेविक थे, उनको ऐसा लग रहा था कि कहीं केरेंस्काई गवर्नमेंट जो है, ठीक है, वो डिक्टेटरशिप ना बना ले रशिया में. ओके, तो उन्होंने सपोर्ट करना चालू किया. बोल्शेविक के जो भी सपोर्टर्स थे, कहाँ पर? आर्मी में. आप देखो उस बुक में फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में लिखा है, बोल्शेविक सपोर्टर्स जो थे आर्मी में, उन्होंने धीरे धीरे क्या करना चालू कर दिया? उन्होंने लोगों को इकट्ठा करना चालू कर दिया अपराइजिंग के लिए. अपराइजिंग मतलब यहाँ पर क्या है? क्रांति करने के लिए. बोल्शेविक के जितने भी सपोर्टर्स थे, उन्होंने आर्मी, उन्होंने सोवियत और फैक्ट्रीज में, ठीक है, लोगों को कलेक्ट करना चालू किया. ओके, तो यहाँ तक आपको इस फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में समझ में आ गया है. In the next video, I will tell you some more about the Revolution of October 1917. Okay.